Wow, it seems like forever. But I think I bought, I'll have to look back, but I think I bought my first camera in 2021 at the end of the year. And I was waiting for the Action 2, which came out, and it's the little boxes. And I just couldn't pull the trigger for 500 bucks. You all know that I like the Canon M6. I started using my iPhone more. I use the Action camera. But convenience, I've learned small is better. Less cumbersome, you take it with you. So what did I get? The Insta 360 Go 2 with 64 is a unique camera. And it comes with some interesting things. The necklace, magnetic necklace that when you take the camera out of the case and you put this around your neck, bingo, it clips to. Your shirt's in between, but the magnets work. Or you get clip, sticky pad. Probably the biggest thing is the pivot, but a lot of people use this as like a way to hold it. Have this little camera. I'm gonna film myself with it in my hand. I'm in the pro mode. If somebody's really asking, I guess I'm not in the pro mode, so let's do this. I'm going to stop it. It's kind of fun, but it's a pain in the ass. Let me tell you why. Switching modes. So it switches automatically back to regular. Regular doesn't have stabilization, horizon leveling. So you got to have it in pro mode. I'm going to hit record in pro mode. Now it's in the case. So I've got it in my hands, I'm in the case, and I'll show you what this looks like. That's the other number two. One is keeping it in a certain mode and keeping it there. Not as easy as setting a camera and then you're done. You know where it is. You got to keep coming back to it and taking a look. Now, while it's running. But number two, so it's a pain with the controlling of it. It's not as easy as everybody has said. I love the magnetic stuff. I love how small it is. But the second item is getting your footage from here, editing it in a video, which we're going to try. I've also taken this little bottom piece, the camera part, dunked it under the faucet. You definitely, the sound and the water gets in the microphone, so it doesn't sound that great. A lot of people don't tell you about that. But the bigger disappointment is the image quality. I know it's small, I know it's meant to be tiny, but not being 4K, it doesn't look as great as it. If you just watch some of the other videos when people post with this, it seems to be pixelated a lot compared to other videos. And I'm going to loop it in, we're going to take a look, and you're going to see what it looks like. Now I'm in pro mode, so we should have that horizon leveling. So here we go. I'm going to turn it, put it back, turn it, put it back. Hopefully you're not seeing up my nostril. That's the other part. You have no idea what this looks like. But this was my camera purchase. I honestly have not used it as much as I thought I would. Maybe it'll be better when I feel more comfortable using it as a camera attached to me. I attached it to my chest, drove in the car, and all I got was my steering wheel. I'll try to drop in that footage. It was a disappointment because I've seen great footage, but you can't really see what you're getting. And yeah, let's take a look. Okay. this was a total failure, as I didn't get the shots I thought I was getting. And that's part of the problem. So I'm shooting it again, and I'm showing you the image quality that I got. Now this is in Pro mode. It should be the right setup. It is kind of neat how it just drops in there. You've got these other little attachments. I haven't played with this black one. Looks like you can put it on a hat or a visor or clip it to something. But it doesn't seem like much of a clip. It's like, it's going to wear. It's going to wear. Let's edit some of the footage. My overall opinion is it's a little harder to use than what people have described. I've had a lot of Insta, the X 360 camera. I didn't get the X2, I got the X. I've had some of the little ones when they first came out. And so this was a kind of leap back in. Now, do I think I should have got the DJI Pocket 2? No. I don't think I would use the Pocket 2. This one, maybe in the future I'll get better use out of it. Maybe I won't. But that's my honest, quick review. Maybe if I use it more, maybe we'll see. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. It was a quick one about the Insta Go 2. I got the bigger 64K version because I hate worrying about files and whether I have enough room. And I still have 45 gigs on this 64, which is great.